Hello, this is Bashir from Fly High Media, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the differences between IGTV and YouTube. By the end of this video, I'll be sharing my opinion on where you should use each platform. So let's start with the search engines. For IGTV, it has improved in the sense that videos can be shared on the feed. This ultimately means that videos can be found through hashtags and locations as well as IGTV. However, YouTube's search engine is much more advanced and it ranks in Google, which makes it more discoverable. The second aspect that we'll look into is recording time. While IGTV only allows 10 minutes of recording time, YouTube allows for up to 12 hours. Ultimately, this means that long forms of content have to be chopped up for IGTV or created separately, while on YouTube this is more flexible. Next, we're going to look at the user experience. The advantage of using IGTV is that it's currently ad-free. However, the advantage of YouTube is that it's easy to monetize videos. Also, IGTV has an autoplay and a swipe feature which encourages users to switch videos. Meanwhile, YouTube only has autoplay and only allows you to swipe when you're using full screen. However, YouTube's algorithm is much more advanced, meaning that users can view much better suggested videos. One drawback of using IGTV is that it's limited to mobile phones only. Therefore, when not connected to Wi-Fi, you may use more data or reduce the quality of the videos. However, YouTube is more flexible in the sense that it works both on desktop and mobile phones. It's also important to mention that IGTV does not allow you to rotate your screen to enter full screen. This means that in order to have full screen, creators may edit the videos differently. Once again, YouTube is more flexible in the sense that it allows auto-rotate and normal screen. However, a huge advantage of using IGTV is that shareability is much easier. YouTube is much more difficult in sharing in the sense that you'd have to share from outside of the app. The next feature we'll share is the conditioned attention span across the two platforms. While IGTV users are conditioned for a fast-paced environment, YouTube are conditioned for over 2 minutes of content. Ultimately, creators on IGTV must capture the attentions of viewers. Meanwhile, creators on YouTube can take their time and deliver value for their viewers. The final category is analytics. While IGTV's analytics are basic, YouTube's are much more clear and informative. Also, YouTube allows third-party extensions like vidIQ. So finally, we've reached the end of the video where I'm going to share with you which platform to use when. If you're looking to increase engagement with your current followers, you should use IGTV. However, I'd recommend that you use YouTube if you're looking to grow your following and educate your audience. When choosing your platform, you should also consider your target market because Instagram generally tends to have a younger audience. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment. If you're watching this on YouTube, please give us a subscribe. We're really interested in finding out which platform you're currently using and why. See you in the next video.